iOS 18.2.1 has a major issue. Here's what you need to know. If you've upgraded to the latest iOS 18.2.1 update, you might have already encountered one or more frustrating problems. In this video, I'll walk you through the most common issues and how to fix them. 1. Battery draining faster than usual. One of the biggest complaints after updating is poor battery life. To check if this is happening to you, open Settings, tap Battery, and review the usage over the last 24 hours or 7 days. Now, tap Show Activity, and you might notice that apps are consuming a lot of battery in the background. For example, you may see Instagram running for nearly an hour in the background, or Mail using several hours worth of battery, even when you're not actively using them. To help reduce this issue, go to Settings, General Background App Refresh, and turn it off. Close apps running in the background by swiping up and to the right, then swiping away apps you don't need open. Second, iPhone storage suddenly decreasing. Another issue users have reported is that their storage is filling up much faster than before. To check yours, go to Settings, General iPhone Storage. Scroll down and tap iOS, and you'll see that Apple Intelligence is now using a significant amount of storage. While mine currently takes up 2.9 gigabytes, Apple has updated its requirements to 7 gigabytes. This means that at any time, Apple could push an update that increases Apple Intelligence's storage usage, potentially leaving you with very little free space. If you're already low on storage, this could prevent you from installing new apps or taking photos. 3. Network connectivity issues. Many users have also reported problems with Wi-Fi, cellular data, and Bluetooth connections after updating. If you're experiencing slow internet, dropped connections, or trouble pairing with Bluetooth devices, resetting your network settings can help. To do this, 1. Open Settings and go to General. 2. Scroll down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. 3. Tap Reset, then select Reset Network Settings. 4. Enter your passcode and confirm. This will reset all Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and cellular settings back to factory defaults, which often resolves these connection problems. 4. Apps crashing after updating. Another issue I've noticed is that some apps are crashing after updating to iOS 18.2.1. To make sure your apps are running properly, head to the App Store, tap your profile icon in the top right corner, and swipe down to refresh the page. Here, you'll see a list of apps that need updating. Updating your apps ensures they're compatible with the latest iOS version, reducing crashes and performance issues. 5. Restart your iPhone. If you're still experiencing issues, restart your phone. It might sound simple, but many problems like bugs, glitches, and slow performance can be resolved just by turning your device off and back on. To do this, go to Settings, General, scroll down, and tap Shutdown. Wait a few seconds, then turn your phone back on. Many times, a simple restart can clear up lingering issues that started after updating. Final thoughts. If you've noticed any of these issues after updating to iOS 18.2.1, try these fixes before considering a downgrade or factory reset. I hope this helps. If it did, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. It really supports the channel. Thanks for watching.